Hello, Mr. Wa.
Yes.
Government never pay us.
Don't tell me that. Is it my fault to work for government? Is it my fault to work for government? The people that are selling pure water, they see that work. Go and sell pure water and make your money. Which is since last 3 years. Until you pay money before I come and do that light. Fuck out of my phone. Get the fucking dead.
Hey, you get the fuck. Oga me, I'm feeling your flows. Different to them.
Yes, new year, new me. Come on.
Sir.
Now this street we dey go next. We cut all their lights.
Which street?
This one.
You are.
Me and you.
You go alone.
Yes.
Why?
Because I want make you die alone. This street. Person where they your position before you retire. You know they go this street.
Why? Now Tinubu dey live for them.
People where they live there pass Tinubu. You know Amadio.
Yeah.
You know Ogun. You know Sago. You know Yemoja. Now all of them they live this place. Now there Dagu they live.
Good. Now listen to the read my lips. Fuck them off.
You know why?
You gonna explain
I
time.
know.
Where's the cabman now?
They will see what?
They will see where it is.
Hello, madam. Well done. You see this place you live?
Yes.
Very good. Since when last did you people pay for electricity?
We don't pay for electricity.
You don't pay for electricity? Yes. But you can pay for wig. Without your wig, will be like iron sponge.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. By the time we cut your light, when you people are in a fucking dead darkness, you will know that I'm not playing.
Go cut them now.
Something way bad for this shoot. May God not allow them, make them kill.
My Oga cut am. Okay. You are different.
Who be this one?
Madam, shall you not tell them? They know they cut light for this area. Oh. The last person who cut light 2 years ago, share for poor. If you stay there for the past 2 years, never come down. My Oga get jazz.
You say what? Who get gas?
You now.
See, they put on gas, you don't get gas. Make I come down.
What's happen?
I know they move. What is that?
Wow.
Who the office?
I don't know.
I mean, they fucking damn soup.
Enjoy your weekend.